Good morning viewers, I'm CHINTA from IMOGIRI Junior High School, bringing you the latest news for today. COVID-19 or coronavirus disease 2019 is an infectious disease caused by a new virus called SARS-CoV-2. This disease, first identified in Wuhan, China in the end of 2019. The virus widely spread over many countries, and then in March 2020, World Health Organization declared COVID-19 a pandemic. This disease attacks respiratory system. COVID-19 also makes people who get infected experience several symptoms. The common symptoms are fever, dry cough, and dryness. Some also experience ache, sore throat, diarrhea, conjunctivitis, headache, and loss of taste or smell. Meanwhile, the serious symptoms are shortness of breath, chest pain, and loss of speech. However, there are many who don't experience symptoms. It takes about 5 until 6 days for the symptoms to show. However, the incubation period takes 14 days. People who have mild to moderate illness usually can recover without hospitalization. Meanwhile, those who experience serious symptoms have to seek medical attention. The virus spreads through the droplets when infected people sneeze or cough. Therefore, WHO gives the way to prevent infection, such as washing hands regularly with soap and water, avoiding touching face, covering mouth and nose while sneezing or coughing, staying at home, refraining from smoking, and practicing physical distancing. Besides that, vaccination is also crucial. The COVID-19 death rate for people in Jakarta who were not vaccinated was more than 3 times higher than those who were, according to National Health Ministry data. The mortality rate of those who were not vaccinated was 15.5% compared with 4.1% for those who had received 2 shots of either the Sinovac or AstraZeneca vaccine. According to data from state hospitals and almost 68,000 patients in Jakarta from May to July, Indonesia has been overwhelmed in recent months by a big spike in coronavirus cases, and on Wednesday it faced a grim milestone, recording a total of more than 100,000 deaths from COVID-19. Global data on vaccinated versus unvaccinated is not easily available, but Dr. Ines Atmosukarto, a molecular biologist who works on vaccine development, said in the data was further evidence on the importance of vaccination. Early data from the town of Banyuwangi in East Java showed that 93% of COVID patients who died from March to July were not vaccinated, while 6% had received a first dose and 1% had been fully vaccinated. Sinovac and AstraZeneca vaccines were also the vaccine predominantly administered in that area. Siti Nadia Tarmizi, a spokesperson for the Health Ministry, said the data could help combat vaccine hesitancy in Indonesia. In Indonesia, 18% of the population have had 1 dose of a vaccine, while 80% are fully vaccinated, according to Health Ministry data. Limit the spread of the highly transmissible Delta variant that was first identified in India, Indonesia has quickly become Asia's coronavirus epicenter, now recording more than 3.5 million cases in total since the start of the pandemic. But as cases have begun to drop in Jakarta and some areas of Java, with the Health Ministry saying this week the country has reached the peak of second wave. That's all the news for today. I'm CHINTA. Thank you for watching and have a great day.